Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum Classic. Yeah, already indicated as in the last 3 videos about Ethereum Classic. I think when I started to cover it, it was up here. Yeah, we are going to come down lower and we are going to reach here this green area. It became a bit unclear here in this sideways range, but I think it was just a wave B triangle. I mentioned to you here, if we break out of the triangle to the upside, it could indicate that this was just a continuation pattern. But I already mentioned also to you a few times that that wave 5 pretty much maxed out to a large degree what it could do. But if had we broken out of this triangle to the upside, yeah, it could have led to a continuation of that 5th wave. But overall, the warning was there and we are now coming down and we finally hit this target area as well. Last video I mentioned to you that as long as we are in this channel, we are going to continue anyway further down, and we've now touched the area. What does it mean? It means that at some point in this area we could start the reversal back to the upside. Now, this is the first wave 2, the first larger wave 2 that a coin that I cover is doing. Okay, so that's quite exciting. There might be other ones, but I only, of all the coins I cover, no coin has yet started this wave 2 to my knowledge. So this area is located between the 38.2% fib level and the wave 4 low. Why? Because if we have an extended wave 5, which we have here, then the Elliott Wave rules, they teach us that the correction oftentimes comes down to the wave 4 low. So what that means is there is a long way to go, but theoretically anywhere in here, yeah, we could see a reversal. So an indication that wave 2 is finished could be if we break out of the, so we've reached the target area anyway. So now at any point in time, if the channel is broken, that's a good indication that this overall wave 2 is done. This is of course only one indication. So if this gets broken and we fail the retest, we come down, that's of course another story. But if we break out, get the retest done successfully, and you see a bullish engulfing candle, for example, it indicates we're going to go higher. Next best indication would be a move above, here in my opinion, 41.40, the wave B high, which is here at 41.40, and then breakout point would be that high here at 45.50. That could then take us to $77. That would then be a target for the wave 3. Now the wave 3 target might move a little bit depending on how low we really get, yeah, because this will then influence the targets. I think I measured in the earlier previous video for you here this $29 level. I think that was that the 1.61 extension of the wave A? We can just double check that. Yeah, it was the 1.618 extension. So $29 would be within this area another ideal target to look at. Okay, $29. Keep an eye on that. We get down to $29 and break this channel to the upside. It would indicate that we are gonna go up from here. Yeah. And that's pretty much the update about Ethereum Classic. So we can also take a quick look at the indicators, especially the RSI. What does it suggest? Probably rather on the 4-hour chart. And we see we are not even oversold yet. So there is further downside potential here on the 4-hour chart. We broke even the previous support slightly. Yeah, so there is not yet an indication that this is over unless we break out of the channel to the upside. So there is further scope for further downside here on the 8-hour chart as well. I think a move down to the 50 line would be reasonable. That's the 12-hour chart, by the way. 8-hour, we've already touched the 50 line, so here it will get interesting now, okay. But to be fair, we've already reached the target area and bounced out of it. But again, I would want to see a move out of the channel. And here we're still fairly high on the daily. So in a wave 2, I would rather want it to come down a bit lower to base, because what you need to imagine, all of this needs to be corrected. Yeah, this entire move needs to be corrected. So we want to take a bit of pressure off, and we want to gain some more power to be able to move to new highs in a wave 3. So it's nothing unexpected what Ethereum Classic is doing. It has to do nothing with manipulation, nothing, honestly nothing. This one doesn't. This is normal market movement. You have a 5-wave move, a crystal clear 5-wave move to the upside. When we already had some red candles up here, I told you we'll probably come down into this range, which we're now doing. This is normal market behavior because these moves have to be corrected. They have to be corrected, and after a 200% move or something, you just need to expect some correction. Especially here, we were already at 82 on the daily on the RSI. This indicates an overbought range, and yeah, so hopefully those previous videos helped you, and I'm now waiting for this to finish. I will consider actually buying into Ethereum Classic. So I'll keep my eyes open. If I don't miss it, I will probably get in, because what I want to see though is an impulse on a lower time frame, because at the moment we are still very much at risk here in the market. So if we see a first impulse to the upside on a lower time frame, that will be a good indication that probably the best we can get that this wave 2 is over. Yeah, in addition to a breakout of the channel. Okay, and that's my view about not Chainlink, Ethereum Classic. So hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.